Years ago, there was a Nyan cat in Growtopia, which was based on the popular Nyan cat from internet. It was installed on the player's head just as a hat would be and was released the March 7th of 2013. When it was worn by a Growtopian, the hat would make a rainbow trail behind him, for coinciding with the original Nyan cat. However, in May 2013, the item design was changed on a whim to avoid a lawsuit for copyright infringement. That's why his current design is a turtle hat. But now, he's back. Oh, really? Oops. Oh. Yes, sure. For the expensive version, you will need a royal lock. And check royal rainbows. An anti-gravity generator. A weather machine, warp speed. And dress you up with a gray cat as a hat, and an apron. And for the supporter, attune your skin by changing it with this one. For the cheapest version, you will need a good friend with his Unicorn Garland, or a pet leprechaun, the same weather machine, and also the same set. Just ask your friend to punch behind you like this.